Okay, I'm just getting home from school. Hello? Is anybody here? Anybody here? Hello? Lights not on. I gotta use the bathroom. What the fuck is the Bigfoot? What the fuck? It's the fucking Bigfoot. Ah! Fucking pushed me. Fucking drunk off his ass. Get the hell out of here. God damn. Go back to your fucking family, you moron. Go use the fucking front door. God damn. Look at him. Fuck. God damn ape.